Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. This video I will be giving an introduction to a new series I'll be starting on this channel called Android UI, meaning User Interface Elements. So this series will be about Android UI elements, so everything from the basics of Android, designing for Android, the Android operating system, to like the advanced concepts of designing. Everything will be optimized in this short video series, so you can easily learn the basics of the Android operating system, the basic design elements of the Android operating system, to the advanced concepts. So just to give a quick overview of what we're going to cover in the next video. So the agenda of this series, basically we're going to look at every single or majority or the primary components that make up the Android UI whole ecosystem. So the whole user interface ecosystem of the Android operating system, we're going to look that into more detail in the next videos. So the agenda of this series is to look at layouts, what layouts are. So they are the main fundamental key part, which we will start with, and then make our way through views, what views are in Android, what view groups are in Android, so basically a cluster of these views, and then we're going to look at XML. Now this will be our first footstep in the Android ecosystem, so like the whole Android development ecosystem, this will be our first step towards that path. XML, which stands for Extensible Markup Language, will be the first step in which we learn how to create design elements in the Android operating system and more. So there's going to be a lot more videos being uploaded on this channel regarding Android app development and just mobile app development in general. So in the future videos, I'll also be doing a series on iOS design elements and the basics of iOS development and so on and so forth. So be sure to subscribe, and while you're at it, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And like this video if you're excited for a new series. Share this video with your friends and family so they're also aware of this new possible series that I'm starting. And I'll see you in the next video where we look at what layouts are in the Android operating system.